you are on Melody Channel and we've got something really exciting planned today. So, it's not slime, but I have got this new 4K cord camera. So, it's here and we're going to be unboxing it, and this is a camera to do more videos for you guys. So, the scissors are here, so let's start opening it. Open it a little bit. Now I need to do the sides. There we go, guys. Now we've got this. So I've got this. Cord cam, so yeah. It's really heavy. Pop that box down here. So here it is, guys. So we're going to open this bag.
Might need the scissors for this.
So we're going to use scissors. A bit like pasta parcel, guys. Got loads of layers. It says here, guys, camera and shoulder bag. So now let's open this. Guys, the camera's in here, guys. So now it's the big reveal that you've all been waiting for.
It's over there.
So here's. So we're gonna find the cam. So here's some instructions and bags on what to do. Here's some batteries and wires and bags and stuff. Here it is, I think, guys. So guys, it's in here. Here is my new camera, guys. So hold it like this, and you hold it like that, and then this opens up like that, and see that. And then it's got in these bags. Open these. See what's in these, guys. This is a light which goes on the camera, so get good lighting. What's in here, guys? And then here's a microphone, which you also screw on here so you can hear what I'm saying. And then here's just some chargers. So here's my new camera, guys. So hope you like this video. So this is going to be better quality. So we're going to post some videos on this later. So I hope you like this. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Comment down below. And yeah, so I hope you like it. Bye!